Hey everyone, thanks for joining us for another Airbrush Asylum pre-live video. Happy New Year to everyone. I hope this is going to be a fantastic 2018 for everyone that's watching, and look forward to, well, from our perspective, bringing you guys more and more content. We've got some step-by-steps coming out next week or in a few more days, so they'll be released. There'll be the skeleton on a rocking chair. It's an artwork that we did on the Harley Davidson, so that has now been edited and we've done the voiceover, so we will launch that very soon. I just thought today I'd just say a quick Happy New Year. Hope you all had a great time celebrating and you didn't have too much to drink, or maybe you did, that's not a bad thing. And yeah, look forward to bringing you lots more stuff this year, so can't wait to keep bringing you video after video, as well as numerous step-by-steps, different insight showcase, all those sorts of videos, and obviously these pre-live ones and live if the internet's any better. But hope you enjoy it, and I just thought I'd also mention that courses, we have dates now for our Introductory Level 1 one-day airbrush course. So this is obviously available to anyone in Australia. We are based in Victoria, so that course is a one-day course. It's $250 including our tax, GST here, so you're more than welcome to check out the dates at the moment. They are all available to view on our website, so we've got the whole year planned out. We got a lot of requests to do that, so we thought perfect, we'll do that for this year now that it's a new year, start fresh. So you can actually go on, we've already got people booking. The first date is the 20th of January, so that's a Saturday. So like I said, we've already had people booking for that. We've got a maximum amount of spots of 12 available. So if you're interested and you want to learn a new hobby and a new craft and you want to just get into airbrushing, it's designed for absolutely anyone. You do not need to know how to draw. So, you know, you don't even have to have airbrushed anywhere else. You just come in, we supply everything. We even supply you some lunch and soft drink, coffee, the whole lot. So it's a good fun day. So if you want to do it, get online. I'll put a link in the description and you can click on that and you can book and view all the dates on there. So that's for anyone that's obviously in Australia. I mean, obviously you're welcome to come out if you live overseas, but to fly out here for one day might be a bit much. The next thing that I wanted to mention is we have restructured our more advanced classes. So previously we used to do a workshop where students would bring in what they want to work on and we would take them through that in the 2 days. Again, we've had lots and lots of feedback from really good customers and students of ours that have asked me to do more of a feature piece of artwork. So that's what I'm going to be doing. We've got dates for our first one of those courses. So the first one will kick off on Saturday the 17th of March and conclude on Sunday the 18th of March. That is a 2-day course, 10 a.m. till 5 p.m. Again, we include lunch and all that sort of stuff. But I'm going to be taking you through a black and white tiger artwork, so that'll be the first one to kick off for the new year, and then after that we've got some other projects planned. We haven't got dates confirmed for those as yet, but we just thought we'd let a lot of our students know about the 17th and 18th. So if you're interested, you can again book online. That one is $550 for 2 days. That includes the GST, and we just need a deposit of $150. So you can get in contact with us direct. I'll also put a link in the description to that one. Otherwise, everything's on our website. Just before I go, another quick update regarding our online store. We've had some online orders come through, so thanks for that. The only thing is, as mentioned on our online store, there is a pop-up that will show, and it mentions that nothing will ship until the 15th. That is because our suppliers are away, and we are also going to be unavailable for a period of that time. We'll be back and forth, but because the suppliers can't get us our goods, if we don't have it in stock, unfortunately we can't ship it. However, you can still process your order, so that way when we are back on board, as soon as we come in, we can make sure that if it's not in stock, we can order it and ship it out to you promptly. All right, so that's just an update. So that'll be happening after the 15th of January. So by all means, put your orders in if you like, that's not a problem, but I just wanted to let everyone know And obviously, again, our online store, unfortunately, we don't ship overseas at this point in time. We just ship locally, so Australia-wide. So so unfortunately we don't ship overseas. But look, that might happen in the near future. Who knows? It's a new year, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, that's enough from me. So I hope this has given you some more information about what we're planning on doing for this year and the courses that are already up and ready to book. So get in on those. Apart from that, we'd love to hear from you. Look out for that step by step. That's a 2-part video series coming out. So that'll be, like I said, probably another 5 days. We'll have that ready to rock. So parts 1 and 2. So that'll be ready for you guys to watch. So I hope you enjoy that one. And then after that, we'll come back to you with another live video and let you know what's going on. All right, no worries. Well, thanks for tuning in. And again, if you haven't already, hit subscribe, tap on that bell icon. We'd love to have you as part of our community. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we will talk to you again soon. Take it easy. Bye for now.